today's video, we will look into how to use the prepositions of place. We will focus on the following prepositions: in, on, and at. Let's see how to use the preposition on. So this preposition is used for something that is lying on a surface. For example, the vase is on the table. The question is written on the blackboard. It is used for a street or a road. For example, the school is located on Harley Street. It is used for large places. Example, we live on planet Earth. Let us now see how to use the preposition in. This preposition is used for a large place with boundaries or an enclosed space. For example, the birds are in the cage. The books are in the bag. He lives in Pakistan. Over here, I would like to explain y'all that in our previous preposition on, we also learned that it is used for big places. But over here, I would like to clarify that the preposition on is used for much bigger places, and the preposition in is also used for big places. However, they are smaller compared to the ones that are connected with the preposition on. So that's the reason we use the preposition on when talking about the entire planet, because that's a bigger space. And when you're talking about a country or you're talking about a city, that's when you're going to use the preposition in. So I will not say that he lives on Pakistan. That would be incorrect. However, I would say that we live on planet Earth because planet Earth is a bigger area as compared to the country Pakistan. The preposition at is used for specific places. For example, Ali is standing at the door. Mary is at her grandparents' house. We had lunch at Ahmed's house. It is used for a specific address. The school is located at 14 Clifton Street. Over here, I would like to explain that when we have the street number mentioned along with the name of the street, that is when we are going to use the preposition at. However, if I will remove the street number, sorry for that, if I will remove the street number, then I will not use the preposition at. I am then going to replace it with the preposition on. So it would be the school is located on Clifton Street. I hope you will now be able to use the prepositions of place, that is on, in, and at, much more effectively and easily while communicating. Thank you.